Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, we welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekalaiva. Board Cbse, Class 5, Subject EVS, Topic The Northern Plains. Children, today we are going to learn about these objectives, physical features of Northern Plains and climate of Northern Plains. Here, the Northern Plains lies between the Himalayan mountains and the Deccan Plateaus. Okay, children? So, the Northern Plains lies between the Himalayan mountains and the Deccan Plateaus. This region is also known as the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra plain. It covers 30% of geographical area of India. And then 40% of the total population of India lives here. It is also called the heart of India. Next, let me see about physical features of Northern Plains. The Great Plains of Northern India were formed by the debris and the sediments brought down by the rivers Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra and their tributaries. The Punjab Plains drained by the river Indus, the Ganga Plains drained by the river Ganga, the Brahmaputra plain drained by the Brahmaputra river. First, let me see about this Punjab plain. Here, the western part of the Northern plain is called the Punjab plain. The western part of the Northern plain is called the Punjab plain. This plain is drained by the Indus and its tributaries such as Satluj, Beas and Ravi. The foothills of Punjab plain are covered by the gravel, sand, boulders and clay. So these are called Babar plains. Major crops such as rice, wheat, sugarcane, etc. So the Punjab is called India's bread basket. Next, let me see about the Ganga plain. The Ganga is the major river of the Indian subcontinent. It extends from the eastern side of Punjab from the west, to Bangladesh border in the east. So it extends from the eastern side of Punjab from the west to Bangladesh border in the east. This river spans the states of Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. This region is drained by the Ganga, Yamuna, Ghantak, Kosi, Gagra, which originate from the Himalayas. Here, the land is so fertile and there are flourishing trade industry and business. Next, let me see about the Brahmaputra plain. This region lies under the northeastern part of India. So when the Brahmaputra river moves to Arunachal Pradesh, its name changes to Siang. This region is rich in minerals like natural gas, petroleum, limestone and coal. So Assam ranks as the third biggest crude petroleum and natural gas producer in India. Here, the Majuli Island is the largest river bed in the world. So, the Majuli Island is the largest river bed in the world. Next, let me see about climate of northern plains. The northern plains have extreme climatic conditions. The summer are very hot and humid. The rainy season is between the months of July and September. Next, let me see about occupation of people. Agriculture is the main occupation of people of northern plains. Apart from farming, cattle rearing, poultry farming, forestry, fishing are also important means of livelihood here. Many industries like textile, sugar mills, rice mills, paper, leather goods, sports articles and jute mills are developed in this region. Next, let me see about importance of northern plains. There are rich agricultural lands and granaries of India. There is a smooth network of rails and roads which helps a great deal in the industrialization of the region. Employment opportunities are high, so this area is densely populated. Most of the hydroelectric power plant are located here. The biodiversity of the Brahmaputra plain makes it the most popular tourist spot for wildlife enthusiasts. Children, I hope you all enjoy this session. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest update. Thank you.